There is a gas in your home right now that has no smell, no color, no taste, and it kills over 400 people every year while they sleep. Carbon monoxide. Your red blood cells carry oxygen, but they absorb carbon monoxide 250 times faster. So when you breathe it in, your blood stops delivering oxygen to your brain. The symptoms feel exactly like the flu: headache, dizziness, nausea. Most people go to bed thinking they're sick. They don't wake up. In high concentrations, you can lose consciousness in under 2 minutes. No pain, no panic, no warning. The most terrifying death is the one you never see coming. Follow for the next episode.